Let's understand different ways of registering frames in SQL context. Let's create one data frame and one lazy frame. Say pl dot in data frame. Let's have a column name. Let's say Alice, Bob, Charles. Let's have a lazy frame. Pl dot lazy frame. Let's have a column name. Let's say McGrail, Kim, Howard. Let's print the data sets. Lazy frame requires collect method to print the results. Oh, we have two data frames. Let's see various ways of registering. So let's register using register globals. polars.sqlcontext register globals equal to true. This way we can register all the defined frames globally. Let's understand registering using identifier. SQL context, let's say frames, table 1, let's define data frame, table 2, let's define lazy frame. So this way we are defining identifiers for every frame. So table 1 is an identifier for data frame and table 2 is an identifier for lazy frame. Now let's see how to register using keyword arguments. So we have df and lf as keyword arguments. We can use that parameter to register. Data frame as df, lazy frame as lf. SQL context df is equal to the data frame which we created and lf is equal to the lazy frame which we created. These are the different ways of registering frames. We can also register pandas data frame to SQL context. Let's import pandas. SQL context. So let's create a pandas data frame. pd dot data frame. Let's say name, Kevin, Lux, Danny. So once SQL context is initialized, let's pass df pandas is equal to polars dot from pandas, the data frame created in pandas.